The Apollo missions were a series of manned spaceflights conducted by NASA in the 1960s and 1970s with the goal of landing humans on the Moon. The most famous of these missions is Apollo 11, which successfully achieved this historic feat on July 20, 1969. The Apollo program was driven by a spirit of exploration and scientific discovery. It aimed to expand our understanding of the Moon, test human capabilities in space, and pave the way for future space exploration. The missions involved meticulous planning, technological advancements, and the bravery of the astronauts who ventured into the unknown. Apollo 11, commanded by Neil Armstrong, carried astronauts Buzz Aldrin and Michael Collins. The mission consisted of several key phases, including the launch from Earth, the journey to the Moon, the lunar landing, the moonwalk, and the return to Earth. Upon reaching the Moon's orbit, the lunar module, named Eagle, separated from the command module and descended to the lunar surface. Armstrong and Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on the Moon, with Armstrong famously declaring, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." During their approximately 2.5-hour moonwalk, Armstrong and Aldrin collected samples, conducted experiments, and planted the American flag. They also left behind scientific instruments and other artifacts before returning to the lunar module. The success of the Apollo missions extended beyond Apollo 11. Several subsequent missions, including Apollo 12 to 17, also landed astronauts on the Moon, each contributing valuable scientific data and expanding our knowledge of lunar geology, seismic activity, and the Moon's history. The Apollo program marked a significant achievement in human space exploration, showcasing the remarkable capabilities of technology, engineering, and human determination. It demonstrated humanity's ability to reach beyond Earth and explore other celestial bodies. Although the Apollo missions concluded in 1972, their legacy continues to inspire and influence future space exploration endeavors. The knowledge gained from these missions has shaped our understanding of the Moon, provided insights into the formation of our solar system, and laid the foundation for future manned missions to other destinations in space. The Apollo missions remain an iconic milestone in human history, reminding us of the boundless potential of human ingenuity and the enduring spirit of exploration. The verification of Apollo mission on Moon due to rumors arise due to false information. The Apollo mission and Neil Armstrong's historic first step on the Moon are true events. On July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong, along with Buzz Aldrin and Michael Collins, were part of the Apollo 11 mission that successfully landed the lunar module named Eagle on the Moon's surface. Neil Armstrong became the first human to set foot on the Moon, famously stating, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." This accomplishment was witnessed by millions of people around the world and remains one of the most significant achievements in human space exploration. The Apollo missions were extensively documented and verified by multiple sources, including NASA, independent scientists, and international space agencies. The physical evidence, such as moon rocks brought back to Earth, also supports the fact that the Apollo missions were real.